NZXT finally released a mesh version of their H510. This is the NZXT H510 Flow. NZXT has been a huge supporter of the YouTube channel, and speaking of YouTube, growing on YouTube is so difficult. I often have trouble picking the right tags and titles for my YouTube videos, but with TubeBuddy, it doesn't have to be that way. TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer offers in-depth analytics on choosing the best keywords for your videos, and their SEO Studio provides insight on choosing the right title. My favorite feature, hands down, has to be TubeBuddy's recommendations for the best time to publish. I honestly just post YouTube videos whenever I feel like it, and that is a terrible strategy because I really should be posting earlier in the day around 8 to 9 a.m. to get a slightly competitive edge. If you want to grow your YouTube channel and check out TubeBuddy, I'll leave a link in the description section of this video below, and be sure to use code TonyBuddy20 for 20% off. That is kind of hard to say, TonyBuddy20. TonyBuddy20. Yeah. Alright, so let's start off the unboxing with the regular H510. They sent this over so that I could actually compare this with the H510 Flow. So I'm going to be moving my main system into both of these cases so I can actually get a comparison of the two. I'll be peeling the tempered glass on the side panel a little bit later, probably in the future, because save that for a little bit later. So this is the regular H510, just the basic case. Airflow at the front of this case for intake is pretty lackluster. I mean, you only get this side intake and then a small slit at the bottom. Nothing special about this case. Let's put this down. All right, the H510 Flow, what everyone came here for. So we take out the styrofoam. It's pretty much the same unboxing as the regular H510. I usually do this on the floor. Got the styrofoam out of the way. Here's the H510 Flow. You can see it's pretty much the same as the H510, but just with a mesh front panel. So this should provide significantly better airflow since air just has a direct path into the case, and that should mean cooler temperatures. I'm not sure exactly by how much yet because we'll have to obviously test the case. So I believe you can just pull off this mesh panel and it's held by pegs. An interesting thing to note is that NZXT got rid of the side panel ventilation. So I guess you're pretty much only going to be intaking from the front panel, and the bottom also doesn't have ventilation as well. And they include two 120mm fans inside the case, one set to intake and one set to exhaust at the backside. There's also a dust filter in the front panel as well. So you got the ventilator front panel and the dust filter to catch all your dust, to make sure dust doesn't accumulate inside the case. The price for this case is going to be $109.99. NZXT told me the prices of some of their products are going to increase because of increased shipping prices from COVID-19. COVID-19 is still going on as a worldwide thing, and I wouldn't be surprised if prices increase universally for other brands as well. Yeah, I'm really excited to test out this case. We'll have to do that at a later date because I'm working on couple other projects. All right, so let's start off with the Kraken 120. This is a 120mm AIO liquid cooler. It is the successor of the Kraken M22. I'm assuming this thing performs better. I'm not sure exactly by how much yet. Cut that, and we got silica gel, mounting accessories, screws, and cables. So we got the AIO liquid cooler itself, the 120mm fan. This is the Air P, so it's a static pressure optimized fan. You also got a manual. So let's take out the plastic. This features a slightly updated design with a newer pump. I'm excited to test out the performance of this thing, and we'll go more in depth in a future video. I am really excited to check out some boxes just dropped. I'm really excited to check out the new Kraken Z63 RGB in white. We've been asking NZXT for a white AIO for the longest time, and they finally made one, so cut the plastic off. So we just open up the box. We have a QR code for the manual. Didn't expect the fans to be white too. Air RGB fans are also white. This looks so cool. Okay, so we got two RGB fans included. This is the 280mm AIO, so the radiator is 280mm, and the fans are 140mm, so it's two 140mm fans. Dang. Okay, so this is going to be perfect for all white builds or even black and white builds, because everyone who sees my PC tells me to get white sleeving for my AIO liquid cooler. The pump block is also white. That is cool. One thing that's not white is the bracket, the mounting bracket. So not really that huge. It does offer some contrast, so I do have a sort of black and white PC build. I think I'll just leave that as black. I'm not going to spray paint over that. But yeah, I'm super excited to test out this in my system. This looks so cool. Alright, so that's about it for this short unboxing. Alright, so that's about it for this short unboxing of NZXT's new products. I'm so glad to see they finally made it white AIO as well as a case with better airflow. I should have more videos out within 1 to 2 weeks. I have a couple other projects to work on, like the new iPhones, which are coming out soon. I think in a couple days. By the time you're watching this video, it's probably already out by now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for all the upcoming videos for all these products.